Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, do you Grove? That's right, we're going to Grove today. Grove is an online company that you can get all kinds of household things and beauty and things for your children and your pets. And I got my box and it says, look at you getting your Grove on. And hey guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to pop in this box. I want to welcome all my subscriber friends, and if you're new here, I want to ask you to consider subscribing. We do all kinds of unboxings, and this here is a different kind of subscription because you get to order basically what you want every month, and you can be a VIP member, and what that means is you pay $19.99 a year, and you get free shipping. You get 4 gifts during the year each quarter, and these gifts range usually from $10 to $20 in value. They give you several choices. You can even choose credit, and usually the credit is $5, but you can have that off of your purchase. During the year, they do other giveaways, like for your birthday and for other special occasions. I don't know, it just seems like I'm always having a giveaway. And every time you order, up at the top, they'll have 3 different things that you can choose from based on the amount of your purchase. And if you ship now, it'll say on there, ship now and you'll get this free. And I think I have one of those in this box. But let's get in here and see what I got for Grove this time around. It smells good, I'm going to tell you that. That's one thing about Grove, is its essential oils and herbs, things like that they use that's natural in the cleaning. And the first thing I'm pulling out of here is the Grove by Drew Barrymore. This is a multi-purpose cleaner, and guys, this is something that you use in one of their glass containers. They've got different color sleeves. This is the yellow one, and one bottle will be poured in there. That one's got, I think, a pine scent in it. But this is a multi-purpose cleaner. You would open this up. Oh, it smells floral. It smells good. I don't know, it just says it's sustainably powerful for a health and home planet. Oh, it's Island Orchid. That's why it smells so good to me. So yeah, I had to get it because it's going to be like a beachy smell while cleaning. But you put one bottle and you fill it up with water and you're set to go. And it's essential oil multi-purpose cleaner. So because it's multi-purpose, you can use it more than on your floor. It says our multi-purpose cleaner cuts 2 times more grease versus leading concentrate brands. It's formulated without parabens, polythics, phosphotones, formaldehyde, synthetic dyes, ammonia, chlorine bleach, and synthetic fragrance. The Fresh Horizon Island Orchid, this floral and relaxing Island Orchid scented multi-purpose cleaner concentrates, is made with 100% natural fragrance, transporting you to an exotic paradise. All right, well, I'm all in for that. So that's my first item that I got. My next, oh, is that why it smells so good? It's empty. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm going to have to contact them. That's why my box smells so good. My method is all gone. And it's Osage Beach is the scent, and that's all the paper soaked it all up. That's why it smelled so good when I opened it up. Oh my goodness, but this is my fabric soft, and they will replace it. And I'll get in touch with them right away and they'll send me one out, no problem. They have great customer service. I use this all the time. As you can see, it is scents, it softens, reduces static, cleans, and it's HE, and it's for all washes. And like I said, I get the Beach Sage, and it does 45 loads, and it smells wonderful. My next item I have in here is some Hello anti-plaque and whitening toothpaste, and this one's fluoride free. I get this for my husband. He likes this particular toothpaste, and it's white, so I know y'all know I use the charcoal and it's black, just so you know. And then he likes the Hello Peace Out Plaque Anti gingivitis mouthwash, and this is a natural mint, and this is very nice. It promotes healthy gums, freshens like crazy, and it's no alcohol, and that's a no-brainer. So you're getting into that eco-friendly type products. And the same way on this, it uses natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil, whitens teeth, removes plaque, and it crushes tartar. Mind-blowing freshness. And I've used this, and it is a good toothpaste as well. So if you're looking for toothpaste, that's, place to look. This runs around $6.99, I think. And I don't remember exactly how much this runs, but maybe around the same price. The next item that I have in here is I got me some of the Ultimate Dishwash by Drew Barrymore and Grove, and it is of that same scent. So I'm going to have the Fresh Horizons Island Orchid, and I'm going to enjoy that. I'm going to smell it real quick. Oh, and the ironic thing of this whole shipment, the only thing that I really needed the most was the fabric softener. Go figure. Okay, guys, the next item I'm pulling out of here is the 7th generation disinfectant. I get this every shipment because I use it all the time here in the kennel with the dogs. It is 99.99% kills bacteria and viruses. It's a no-rinse formula. It is eucalyptus and spearmint with thyme scent, and it is basically a more natural, clean way, as you can see on there, to disinfect your home versus using Lysol. And it kills the cold and the flu viruses, just in case if you wanted to know. So, and I like it, and I've been using it for quite some time. And my free item, I got 2 free items. They have free samples that you can get, and I had 3 picked out, but 2 of them sold out right away. So I got this peach, that's the brand, peach, and I'm not sure what scent. Let's see, Back in the Glow of a Beautiful Tomorrow, super fresh hand and body bar with aloe and a cooling off in the shade green tea twist scent for all skin types. Ooh, I don't know that I've ever gotten an aloe soap. It smells good. That's gonna be nice. Yeah, I might like to try that. That sounds good. Aloe's so good for your skin, and so is green tea. So, hey, that's pretty good. And then my other free item, this was purchasing, I think, like $35 worth of product. I got these Grove European dishcloths. I call them Swedish, but I love these things. These are better than using washcloths and or sponges, and it is like sponge type material. It's like a washcloth sponge, and once you get it wet, it's real pliable and real easy to use out and wring up. And then when you spill something, it really picks up things. It absorbs like a sponge, and it cleans well, and it doesn't leave streakiness all around. Like I said, I really like it. That is my Grove. So as a recap, we've got our European dishcloths. We have our Hello mouthwash along with our Hello toothpaste. We have our dish soap in the Island Orchid, and I've got the multi-purpose cleaner that can be used for any type cleaning. I would say counters or your appliances. It's multi, so you can use it anywhere, and I use it on the floor a lot just to clean up, have a nice little scent when I'm mopping. And then we got the 7th generation disinfectant, and I got the free little peach aloe and green tea soap. And I'm going to have to get this refilled because it is definitely empty. So, which this is not typical. And it's kind of weird because this is on tight. It's not loose. So how it leaked out of there, I don't know. But it certainly did. I mean, I'm sure they didn't put it in there that way. That's for sure. But hey guys, that's my Grove. And if you're interested in Grove, I do have a free kit that you can sign up for. Now this is a free kit with a purchase. I think you have to make at least a $25 to $30 purchase, and you can get a starter kit free. And it has your basic cleansing needs, that they set you up to let you see if going green and being more environmentally friendly is the right way for you to go. And if I'm not mistaken, you might get some kind of spray pump. I don't know if you'll get the glass one or not, but I'll have a picture of it up there for you to take a look at. And if you want that, then be sure and click on the link, and I will have that in my description. And if you do use that, I think I do get a small referral fee, and it may be like $5. So it's not like a whole lot, but I use it just to go back into my next box, and I do appreciate it. And if you do use it, let me know. I would like to thank you for doing that. I do appreciate that. It helps my channel. And of course, the most important thing is if it's going to help you. I mean, there's no sense in buying anything if you're not even interested. So, I mean, for sure, only if this is something that you would like to try, that would be a great way to do so. But I wanted to clarify that it is free kit with a purchase. They have changed that. So anyways, that's all I have for Grove. And I don't necessarily have favorite items in this. You may have a favorite that you like, but I like all the products. If you have one that's in particularly a favorite of yours, or one that you'd like to know more about, let me know and maybe I could answer your question. And be sure and check my descriptions for any other giveaways and things that are currently going on. And as for Grove Collaborative, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.